Hey y'all, so before I get this video started, let me give a quick shout out. These were the first 3 comments in my last video. If you want to be featured in my next video, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell and come show me some love when I drop a new video. What's up, you guys? It's KeAmber Vaughn, aka CoachKe, coming back to you with another video. If you are new to my channel, welcome, and if you're not new, welcome back. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and also tap the bell so that you are notified of every new video that I post. So as you guys can tell by the title of this video, it's time for me to put my August sinking fund page together in my August budget. If you guys are new to my channel, I actually had a magic month of July. So July actually ran 6 weeks because my first August paycheck was August 12th. So that is why you guys are getting this one late. So before I can actually put this page together with all my beginning balances and stuff, basically this is really just me reconciling and adding and subtracting what I put in and took out of my sinking funds for July. So in order to get that page together, we got to do this one first. So because my July budget ran 6 weeks, I actually ended up getting paid interest on my accounts twice in the month. So we have to take into account that. I actually have all of my savings with Ally as of right now, and the Ally APR, I think for the savings accounts is 1%, if I'm not mistaken. If that's incorrect, it'll be in the description box. I've been with Ally for almost 3 years, if I'm not mistaken. Absolutely love them. So the first account is going to be my mini emergency fund, and the interest that I earned on this one was $2.84 the first time, and then $2.68 the second time. So that is going to be $5.52. I'm going to do all of my interest in blue, and then I'll do in red anything I took out, and then in green anything that I added from my budget. So these are the Parku 07 pins. They come like this. If they're not in my description box, you can definitely find them on Amazon. These were actually sent to me by the company. Okay, so I'm just going to go through doing all of my interest first, and then we will kind of go from there. So for the True Emergency Fund, $8.44 and then $7.97. So you guys can see from 1 month to the next, that is when the interest rate change happened again. I think Ally used to be like 2.2%, but with everything going on in the economy, it's just steadily going down. But it's better than the 0.01% I used to get at Bank of America. Yeah. Okay, so next let's do the travel sinking fund. We got $3.85 plus $3.68. That's gonna give me $7.53, and I'm gonna write this one a little closer to the left because I actually added money into that one this month or last month. For, let's see, the tax sinking fund, it's gonna be $4.43 and then $4.22 for $8.65 of interest. Let me scooch this up. For my miscellaneous / investment sinking fund, we got $9.35 and then $9.76, and that one only went up from month to month because I actually put money into that one. Quite a bit of money actually. $19.11 is going to be for that one. The car sinking fund is $7.56 plus $7.22. That is going to be $14.78. So I have 7 savings accounts all together. And then medical is going to be $307 and $290 for a total of $597. And I'm going to do the totals at the bottom for everything at the end. So I did not add or subtract any money into these 2 accounts, but I did add some money into my travel sinking fund. So what I'm going to do, so actually into my budgets. So in this budget, this is paycheck budget number 2. I put $24.04 in there. For my YouTube income, I put $9.48. And then the third budget, I put $59.49. And then when I reconcile my account down, I put another $95.90 in there. So that's gonna get me $188.91. For the tax sinking fund, move my cup. The tax sinking fund, I put $47.38, and that basically was 20% of my YouTube income. For miscellaneous / investment, we have $48.06. $18.95, $118.98, and then another $191.80. And then I also ended up getting my tax refund. So at first I wasn't going to include that because I only deposited it there temporarily because I knew I was going to spend it on my new computer. If you guys missed the video on how I spent my tax refund, I'll remember to link that up in the eye in the sky. But because I did take money out of there, including that amount, I am going to add that in. So my tax refund was $1964.20. So the total amount that I put in my savings was $2,341.99. Now, some people might be like, why didn't you add the tax refund amount to your actual income? I sent it straight to savings because I wasn't even accounting for it. I actually thought I was going to have to pay taxes, to be honest. All right. And then let's see. This is the only account I actually took money out of, where's my? And I took out $2,797.72. For the car sinking fund, and if you're wondering, I did purchase a gaming computer. That's why it's so expensive. And I got a 3-year $400 warranty, and then the taxes were like $200. So you're talking about $600 of that not even being the computer. That makes sense. Let's see, $948. We got $59.49. Usually my car and my travel sinking fund, I put the exact same amount in there, and that math worked out. So we got $188.91. And then I don't put anything in my medical sinking fund. I'm a pretty healthy individual. I go get my checkups every year, and that's pretty much it, which I need to do pretty soon, and go to the dentist too. So money should be coming out of there at some point. So I did all of my additions and subtractions. So let's go ahead and add everything up. So we got $3167.23 was the starting balance of my mini emergency fund. When we add the $552 in, we get $3,172.75, which is what's in my account. Next is the true emergency fund. $9423.80 plus $1641 is going to give me an ending balance of $9,440.21. A true emergency fund for me is $9,000. I've literally only put $9,000 in there. Everything in excess is interest that I've earned over time. Travel, we got $4294.12. I'm going to add in the $753 of interest, and then the $188.91 that I actually added from my budget. And that is going to get me an ending balance of $4,490.56, which is what's in my account. Let's move up and do the bottom. So the tax sinking fund, $4962.48 plus $865 of interest, $47.38 that I put in there, is going to give me an ending balance of $5,018.51. Miscellaneous sinking fund, a starting balance of $10,232.34. I'm going to add the $1911 of interest. Then we got $2341.99 added, and then I'm going to subtract the $2797.72, and that gives me an ending balance of $9,795.72. For the car, starting balance of $8478.29. at $14.78 of interest, $188.91 out of the budget, $8,681.98. This is probably, these two accounts are the ones that I'm most excited about. Kind of the tax sinking fund too, because I'm so used to owing money. So now when I do owe, I know I have a substantial amount of money to cover it. I don't think I've ever owed more than $2,200, I think, and this is not my only tax account, so that's pretty cool. But also the car sinking fund, because I've had, I think, 4 cars in my lifetime. The first one I purchased cash. The second one was only like $7,000. And I had a loan that was maybe $175 a month. My third car I bought brand new. It was a Malibu. And of course I had to get a loan for that one. And then my fourth car is the car that I drive now, a Volkswagen Passat. And I had to get a loan for that one. So seeing this number go up every month is really nice, because I take really good care of my car. So I don't have a whole lot of maintenance and things that has to be done. I do whatever is needed, of course, when it's time. But if I ever need a car, I have enough money to get a nice car. And I like that. All right, let's finish this off. Sorry for the rambling, but it's like sometimes I downplay how well, I guess, I'm doing with my finances, because it's always comes so simple and easy to me. But then sometimes I'm like in awe, like, man, you really saved a crazy amount of money. I think when I calculated, I've saved almost $8,500 this year so far, even though I went 2 months with no income, 2 months with no income. And then with my investment account, I've sent another $1,100. So you're talking about $9,500 that were either saved or invested this year so far. And I'm just like, I have to be proud of that. I'm only part-time. I don't make a whole lot of money, but I make my money work for me, if that makes sense. So I've already done the total amount for the starting balances. So I'm going to go through and add up all of the interest. 865, 1911, 1478. And I remember for a while I didn't even want to make these videos because I felt like maybe people would think I was bragging, but I think you guys can tell my demeanor. I'm a very chill person. I'm a very humble person. I don't go around bragging about things because I just feel like you could be up today and down tomorrow, and you could be down today and up tomorrow. So I am very appreciative of the opportunities that I have. But I just never want people to feel like I'm bragging, but I've been pretty consistent with my demeanor. I think you guys know that this is literally just for inspirational purposes. So I saved 27, 67, 19. So after I finish this last little bit with the totals, we'll take the ending balances and put them on the beginning balances for the August budget, and then we'll be done. So 27, 97, 72 is what I took out. So let's total up the ending balances. Plus 90, 40, 21, 44, 90, 56, 51, 97, 95, 72, 86, 81, 98, 34, 29. And that is correct. 44, 028, 73. Hopefully I don't have any more big purchases till the end of the year or by next year. All right, so I'm going to transfer these numbers over real quick. Okay, so we have 31, 72, 75, 94, 40, 21, 44, 90, 56, tax is 5,018.51, 97, 95, 72, 86, 81, 98, and then 34, 29. So totals 44,028. So this month I actually won't get paid any interest because I get paid my interest on the 10th or 11th of every month, and my September budget actually ends on September 8th. So the only thing that will change from these numbers is basically what I add into these accounts or subtract from the accounts. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys have any questions whatsoever, feel free to leave them down below. Please thumbs up this video, subscribe if you haven't already, but other than that, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.